Siomai soup. Let's start. Making siomai soup. We need 1 carrot. Let's peel the skin of our carrot first. Slice the carrots into strips. We will also be using French beans. Cut our beans like this. We will also use onion for our siomai soup. We also need garlic for our siomai soup. Put some oil in our pot. We need to salt our garlic, but it's tastier if we slightly toast the garlic because it will add flavor to our siomai soup. Once our garlic look like this, let's saute our onion. Then let's also add water. Let's also add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's wait for it to simmer a bit, and then we can add our other ingredients. We will use pork siomai, and it's up to you guys to choose the flavor of siomai you want to use. By the way, this siomai we're using is homemade as well. If you want to know how to make this pork siomai, I'll include the link in the description below. For added flavor, I'll use 1 pork cube. Now let's add the vegetables we sliced. I'll add more water. Then let's wait for it to simmer and for the vegetables to cook before we add our peche. But let's not overcook the vegetables. Let's add our peche, and after 1 minute we can turn off the heat. Here is our siomai soup recipe. I hope you enjoyed our food today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for you to be updated.